Alex here with Alex Perez Roofing, and today we wanted to touch on when to repair a roof or when to replace the entire roof. How we're able to determine when to replace a roof or when to repair a roof. When it comes to repairing a roof, if the roof has already leaked before at least once, that's going to be already a hint that we should look at a further inspection of the entire roof to decide whether it needs replacement or not. If the entire roof is older than 20 years, it already has missing granules, a lot of severe granule loss throughout the roof, if there's buckling shingles, weathered out shingles, flashing that's outdated and rusted, at that point, there's no need to spend $4,000 to $6,000 to repair the roof, especially if it's already leaked before. We want to go ahead and just replace the entire roof, so that way we don't come back 3 or 2 years later to repair a roof that's already been recently repaired when it could have just been replaced. For instance, the homeowner decided to call us to inspect the roof. There was already a leak before over right behind me here on the patio. After doing our full inspection, we decided, hey, this is a 3-tap shingle, one that's not really gonna last. We went ahead and said, instead of patching it and calling us back 2 years later with the same issues, why don't we just replace the entire roof? We upgrade to a better triple laminated roof, one that's gonna last, and that's how we're able to save you thousands of dollars up front, so you don't have to worry about us coming back a couple years later. And it's important to remember that once all this is done the right way, we're able to give you a registered warranty on a roof that's gonna last 50 years with the workmanship warranty backed up by Alex Perez Roofing. So if you'd like to know whether you need a full replacement or just a repair, give us a call at 916-910-5542 or alexperezroofing.com to ensure your home is as watertight as it gets.